Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question, we have two wave pulses shaped like triangles that are traveling toward each other. They have the same width, and the pulses also have the same height, and they have the same speed, but traveling in opposite directions. And we are going to sketch what they look like as they overlap. Here's how I recommend doing this. I'm going to color code what does my right pulse, or sorry, my left pulse, I'm going to color code as red. And really, I should just keep, I should just keep it as the triangle part will be red, and I'm going to color code the right one as blue, and then I will show the combined pulse in purple. One of our first things to notice here is that how far does each one travel in one of these time intervals? So if we take 2 centimeters per second multiplied by a 0.25 second time interval, each one is going to travel 0.5 centimeters. So I've kept the central line that's going to be the same for both of these. So what this means is we are going to have our two pulses meet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our two pulses are going to meet right here in the middle. And really, I could draw black for the rest of the rope. And they are not yet overlapping, so I don't really have anything special I have to do here. We're just showing that they're going to meet. And then for the next one, I'm going to draw the red one first. So my red one is going to advance another half a centimeter, which is 2 blocks on my grid. And so here will be its peak, and then here will be the other part of its base. So my red pulse looks like this. And then my blue pulse, the same thing. It's going to keep moving to the left by 2. And so my blue pulse, if it were the only one disturbing my rope, would look like this. And it's only in the place where my pulses overlap that something really special and unique is going to happen. And notice that after the pulses pass, my rope goes back to normal. What's going to happen here is right here in this central region where they're overlapping, our rope will be pulled upward by both of them, so we're going to add the amplitudes only where they overlap. And so you might be able to guess that our next one's going to look super exciting because this is where in our next diagram, the pulses will be fully overlapping. So I need to make sure I leave plenty of space for this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So my red pulse is going to be 4 blocks on either side of center, right? Because it has moved to the right by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But then my blue one has also advanced to the left by 2 blocks. And so everywhere along my rope, I now have to add those amplitudes. So 0 and 0 is 0. 2 blocks and 2 blocks makes 4 blocks. 4 blocks and 4 blocks makes 8 blocks. 2 and 2 makes 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And then 0 and 0 makes 0. So we're going to have this really sharp peak here in the middle where my pulses overlap. And now we're going to keep advancing our red pulse 2 more blocks to the right. So it's going to look similar in position to where our blue one was in the diagram before the full overlap. And likewise, when we keep advancing our blue one, 1, 2, when we keep advancing our blue one, it's going to look like it's in the location where I grabbed purple, sorry. where our red one was before. Here we go. Let's get that correct color back. So my blue pulse is now here. And again, we only need to draw something special where they overlap here in the middle. 0 and 4 blocks makes 4. 2 and 2 makes 4. 0 and 4 makes 4. And then our final step for the last time that we are asked to consider. Come on. I wanted to draw my black rope undisturbed over here off to the side. And now my final step looks like I'm going to have to scroll down just a teeny tiny bit to show that, hey, my red pulse is going to have advanced 2 more. And so its tail end is now at the center. Oh boy, having trouble at this point drawing straight lines. Okay, and then our blue pulse likewise is going to have advanced 2 more to the left, and so its tail end is now at the center. And so what we've now drawn is what these pulses are going to make the rope look like as they meet, pass through each other, and then pass beyond each other.